How to see the WhatsApp deleted messages in the iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to update your WhatsApp. For that you have to go into your app store and go in the search. Now you have to search for your WhatsApp Messenger. So once you are in, you just have to click on it and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated, and if it is not, so you just have to update it. And after updating it, you just have to go back and go into your WhatsApp. From here you have to click on the settings icon that is in the bottom right corner. From here you have to select the option of the chats, and as you can see that here is the option of the chat backup. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to click on this backup now, and once you back up your chats, all of your media will be transferred to your file manager. From here you are able to download it, but you have to keep in mind that if you switch on your auto backup, then you are able to back up your all of the data. So this is how you can see your WhatsApp deleted messages into your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.